Entry number 17, Felipe P. Panton High School, Zone 2, Inuyonan, Bula, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff. Ren Lester N. Belsa, Corps Commander. John Ray F. Lanuso, Corps S1. Manuel P. Pentecostes, Corps S2. Jeneline C. Albay, Corps S3. Brielle N. Regenales, Corps S4. Majorette Leader, Trisha May P. Salazar. DLC Leader, James Ashley S. Gabarda. Alpha Company Commander, Noel B. Zamudio. Company XO, Mary Shane Z. Masculino. First Platoon Leader, Angelo Cortero. Second Platoon Leader, Roxanne Regenales. School Head, Philip Gale A. Avila. Commandant, John Paul T. Dazilio. Giorgio Paolo G. Gavino. Majorette Coordinators, Emerlina N. Albay, Rizalin B. Lozano, and Mencho P. Obrero. DLC Coordinators, Francis P. Garbiles, Judex B. Orsilada, and Shera Jessa D. Padillo. Entry number 17, Felipe P. Panton High School, Zone 2, Inuyonan, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Thank you so much, Felipe P. Panton High School.